Do sales funnels really work? Here's what you should know. Sales funnels have become an essential part of any marketing strategy. There are many companies that struggle to make them work, though. It's not uncommon for businesses to invest time and money into their sales funnel only to see disappointing results in return. Why is that? Because some businesses don't implement them correctly. Sales funnels can be a difficult concept to grasp, especially if you're new to the marketing world. Many companies fail because they struggle to identify exactly where their customers fall in the process and how they can improve it. However, when they are implemented correctly, sales funnels can have a huge impact on your business. With the right techniques and tools in place, you could see a surge in new customers and revenue as a result. Continuing watching to learn more about how you can use sales funnels effectively to sell more products online today. How does a sales funnel work? A sales funnel is a marketing strategy designed to guide prospective customers from the top of the funnel to the bottom, where they become paying customers. Though you can use many different types of marketing strategies to attract new customers, sales funnels tend to be very effective. This is because they allow you to focus on one specific process and make adjustments as you go. In many cases, sales funnels can be used to turn prospects into customers without them ever leaving your website. This means that you can increase your sales without increasing your spend on advertising. The main purpose of a sales funnel is to increase your sales through targeted marketing. This is done by first understanding who your target customers are and what they want. Then you can use different marketing strategies to catch their attention and direct them towards your product. This will help you gain more customers and generate higher revenue. 3 steps to create your own sales funnel. Before you even think about putting a sales funnel into action, you need to understand how they work. The best way to do this is to create one yourself. To do so, you'll first need to break down the process that your ideal customer goes through when purchasing a product. Once you've done this, you can begin mapping out the different stages of your sales funnel. Once you've done this, you can start to think about how you can improve the experience for your customers and make the process of purchasing from you as smooth as possible. Remember, the sales funnel is just a process, it won't increase your sales by itself. You need to take action and find ways to improve the experience for your customers at every stage of the funnel. Why are sales funnels so important? Sales funnels are critical because they allow you to tailor your sales process. This means that you can make changes to your funnel based on customer feedback and data. This process has no endpoint. You can keep making tweaks and optimizing your funnel for as long as you run your business. This makes sales funnels very effective. This makes sales funnels an effective sales strategy because they allow you to focus on one specific area and make changes as you go. In many cases, sales funnels can be used to turn prospects into customers without them ever leaving your website. This means that you don't have to increase your marketing spend to increase your sales. 3 types of sales funnels you should know. There are several different types of sales funnels that you can use to sell products and services. Choosing the right type of funnel for your business will help you to optimize the process and increase your sales. Here are the 3 most common types of sales funnels. Lead generation sales funnel. A lead generation funnel is used to attract new leads and turn them into paying customers. This process is usually long because you are trying to close sales with people who don't know your business and don't trust you yet. Sales funnel. A sales funnel is designed to close sales with customers who already know your business and are ready to buy your products. You will usually use fewer tools in this funnel because your customers know what to expect. Retention sales funnel. A retention funnel is a type of sales funnel used after closing a sale with a customer. It is used to keep them loyal and make sure that they come back and buy more products from you in the future. Conclusion. As you read, sales funnels should be a part of your marketing strategy. There are many free and paid ways to create a funnel with templates. The templates will help you create sales. This does not mean that you will not need a strategy or make tweaks to the funnel. Make sure to start with the correct funnels so that you receive the best results. Remember to always build your list so that you can use the contact information to follow up with the people who did not buy. Even though sales funnels aren't easy, they are needed and worth learning at least the basics. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and got value. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video.